Okay, everybody. I'm going to try to tape these two kittens. They've been out playing. Since I'm done cleaning, I'm going to put them back in their little cage here. But the one with the red collar is Salem. And the blue collar over here, that's Hilda. Here you guys. Oops, they just came into the sanctuary, oh, I'm going to say a couple weeks ago. Yes, you're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Come here. But they're trying to get back out. Yes, I've got to go. So if anyone's looking for kittens, these two are still pretty tiny, very friendly, very playful. Salem. Oops, what is that noise, huh? I don't know what that was. So, there is Salem and Hilda.